Everybody. Today I am doing a crock pot meal. I'm doing a collab with Dawn from Cencible Living with Money Mom. I'll put her link to her channel below as well as above. And we're doing crock pot meals for Crocktober. So come with me and check it out. As you can see, the wonderful leaves here are changing all around. My burning bush is starting to turn bright red. And today it's Tuesday after our Thanksgiving weekend, so my crockpot meal will be turkey. So we're going to do a turkey noodle soup in the crockpot. Actually, I'm going to be doing it in my Instant Pot, but using the Crockpot slow cooker button. That way you could do it either way, either doing it Instant Pot using the stew button or do it with the slow cooker button. So come with me and see what we're going to do. So first you need a carcass from a bird, chicken, turkey, whatever, to make this broth, this wonderful broth. I put celery, onions. I did it in the pot because I wanted to have a lot, but you could also just throw this in the crock pot first and make your broth the night before and let it cook overnight. But right now I'm just getting some of this wonderful broth. See, there's a turkey carcass bones in here. I don't want that right now, so I'm just going to drain it, and I'm putting it in my bowl from my Instant Pot, or if I was using the crock pot. I just don't want any bones. So if any bits of onion or celery pop in there, that's fine. Or any bits of meat. If you don't have already pre-made broth, you can use a couple of cartons of the store-made stuff, or in a pinch use bouillon cubes or powder, however you want. But you want about 2 liters or so of broth. So there's about 2 liters of broth there. See, I still have lots of broth. I'm going to let this continue to cool, and I'm going to put in mason jars in my fridge to use for other recipes this week. And I took some of the meat and diced it, some celery, some onions, some carrots. I pre-diced it. I'll put it all in here. You want to make sure it doesn't go past the max line. So you can put that stuff in first and then put in the broth, but I wanted the broth first. Put that in there. So you can see there's onions, celery, carrots. You can put other vegetables you want in there. That's what my family eat. I'm putting some thyme, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of pepper, and a bit of garlic powder. You can put fresh garlic as well, but I'm putting a bit of powder and stirring that in. I'm not going to add salt because my broth might be still salty. I will taste it once it's done, and we could add salt to our individual bowls, but I think it will have enough salt. Now, let's put the lid on. And on my Instant Pot, I have a slow cook button. I want to go slow cook. I want 4 hours. I want a temperature high. And then stir. So this will cook for 4 hours. Then on slow cook, so if you have a crock pot, just put in the crock pot on high for 4 hours. Then you can add rice or noodles of your choice into it and let it cook for another 30-40 minutes. And then once it's done cooking for 4 hours on high, add your favorite dry pasta and stir it in there and put it on again for slow cook for about 30 minutes. Let that cook. And there you have it. Chicken vegetable noodle soup in the crock pot or in the instant pot in the slow cooker. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye, friends.